Hari Om students. Here in this class we are going to discuss about division of integers. Yeah, in our previous classes we discussed about how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply the integers. In this class we are going to discuss about division of integers. How to add, how to subtract, these two can follow the same rules. As you know, if two integers are having the same sign, either plus or minus, we can add and we will put the greater number sign to the result. In the same way, if they are having different signs, then we can subtract and then put a greater number sign to the result. In case of multiplication, as I already discussed with you in the previous class, that it is plus into plus, it is plus, minus into minus, it is also plus, plus into minus, it is minus, minus into plus, it is minus. That it is, for example, plus 2 into plus 4, it is plus 8. In the same way, minus 2 into minus 4, it is also plus 8. Minus 2 into plus 4. 2 4s are 8. Minus into plus, it is minus. Minus, plus 2 into minus 4. 2 4s are 8. Plus into minus, it is minus. The same rules we can follow in division also. Here these two are two integers and their product also an integer, so that it follows closure property in multiplication. But in case of division we are going to check now. See that, and then the rules of under division of integers we are going to discuss. That it is 4 divided by plus 4 divided by plus 2, it is plus 2. Minus 4 divided by minus 2, it is also plus 2. Minus 4 divided by plus 2, it is minus 2. Plus 4 divided by minus 2, it is minus 2. Here in this case, a, b are two integers. A divided by b is also an integer. In case of, if a is 2 and b is 4, then a divided by b, that is 2 divided by 4 is 2 by 4, which is 2 ones, 2 twos, 1 by 2. Is this 1 by 2 is an integer? No, is not an integer. If a is 2, b is 4, then a divided by b is not an integer, meaning in division closure property does not satisfy. That is, in under multiplication it satisfied. Under addition also we discussed it satisfied. Subtraction also we checked. In case of division, it does not satisfy. So here a is 2, b is 4, then a divided by b does not satisfy. If a is 4, b is 2, then a divided by b is an integer, it satisfies closure property. Likewise, we are going to discuss about the next properties also we are going to check. So, Here in this exercise, evaluate each of the following. Here, minus 30 divided by 10. That is, minus 30 divided by 10 is already in the before we discussed that minus divided by plus is also is minus, that it is 10 ones 10 threes minus 3. Here 50 by minus 5 is also 5 ones 5 tens plus minus minus. Here it is minus 36 by minus 9. 9 ones 9 fours, minus minus plus. So it is plus 4. And here also minus 49 by minus 49. 49 ones 49 ones, minus minus also, minus divided by minus, it is plus 1. And here 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. As per BODMAS rule, first we have to simplify the terms which are in brackets. That it is a bracket here, it is 13 by, as you know how to operate integers under addition or subtraction, that it is if one is positive other one is negative, we have to subtract. By subtracting 2 and 1 you will get 1. And finally for the result we have to put greater 1 sign. Regardless of its sign, here the greater one is 2. Its sign is minus. So it is minus 1. 13 by minus 1 is minus 13. Okay. Next. Zero divided by minus 12. As you know, 0 divided by 12 is 0 only. But in case of 12 divided by 0, already I discussed in previous classes, division of 0 we can't determine. This is an indeterminate form. So this is, we can't define such type of division. So 0 by minus 12 is 0. Once again see that negative positive. It is negative. As in the multiplication also same. Minus plus minus only. Here also plus minus, positive negative, again negative. Same as in multiplication we did. Both same sign, that is negative and negative. It is plus positive. As in multiplication also minus into minus, it is plus only. And here also minus into minus, it is plus 1. Next one is minus 2 plus 1. Here it is a subtraction. We are doing subtraction. Why? Because one is having negative sign, other one is having positive sign. If two different signs, we have to subtract. So that by subtraction you will get 1. The greater one is 2. It's a sign minus. So it is minus 1. 13 by minus 1. It is minus 13. 0 divided by minus 12. 0 by minus 12 is 0 only. Okay. Here this is an indeterminate form. Minus in this problem, minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus of minus 1. It is minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus of minus 1. See that here plus of minus minus. So minus 30 minus 1. They are having both same signs. So that we should add. By adding minus 30 minus 1, you will get that minus 31. 31 ones, 31 ones, minus, minus, it is plus, so plus 1. In the same way, here also, minus 36 divided by 12, you will get that it is by 3. See that it is 12 ones, 12 threes, that is minus 3 by 3. 3 ones, 3 ones, it is minus 1. So minus plus minus 3. Again here also minus plus minus 1. Okay. Next. Minus 6 plus 5 by minus 2 plus 1 is equal to different signs. We have to subtract. By subtraction you will get 1. Greater one is 6. It's a sign minus. So it is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Different signs. Subtraction. Regardless of its sign, here the greater one is 2. Its sign is negative. So it is minus. 1 by 1 it is 1 only. Minus minus it is plus. Plus 1. Here in this problem, verify that a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. That for these values, a equal to 12, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 2. Here see that as in properties we discussed distributive property, that it is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. That is distributive property, multiplication over addition, that we discussed in our previous classes and we checked also. It satisfies in integers. In case of division, now we are going to check that it is. Write that given a is 12, b is minus 4, c is 12. Now we should check this statement, that it is a divided by b plus c is, first LHS part I will take, that is left hand side part. A is 12, a divided by b plus c, it is 12 divided by b minus 4 plus c is 2, that is 12 by minus 4 plus 2, it is minus 2. 2 ones to 6. Here it is plus, it is minus, we can get it is minus 6, that it is a LHS part. Now coming to RHS part. It is a divided by b plus a divided by c. What is a here? It is 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. It is 4 ones, 4 threes, minus 3, 2 ones, 2 6, 6. Minus 3 plus 6. Different signs we should subtract. And greater one is 6. Its sign is plus. So 3 plus plus 3. Here LHS is minus 6 and RHS is plus 3. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Okay. So, distributive property does not satisfy in integers under division. More problem. It is A is minus 10, given A is minus 10, B is 1 and C is also 1. Now take LHS part. It is A divided by B plus C, that is minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1. It is minus 10 by 1 plus 1. So by adding these two, both are plus and plus, positive, so that we can add. It is 2 ones, 2 fives, minus 5. Now coming to RHS, A divided by B plus A divided by C, that is minus 10 divided by 1 plus minus 10 divided by 1. It is minus 10 divided by 1. Minus 10 divided by 1. Minus 10 divided by 1 is minus 10 only. Here also it is minus 10. Both are same signs. We should add. By adding we will get 20 and same signs, that it is minus 20. LHS is minus 5 and RHS is minus 20. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence verified. Fill in the blanks. Before going to discuss about this model, I will explain you with by taking small examples that it is. In general, if I am taking 30 dividing with 5, that we can get 5 6 are 30. If by multiplying these two, we can get this one, and by dividing these two also we can get this one. That means 30 by 6 is equal to 5. 6 ones, 6 fives. As you know in your lower classes that it is, here we can say that these two are the factors of 30. So 30 divided by 5 is 6, and by multiplying these two 5 and 6 you will get 30. In the same way 30 divided by 6 is 5. By multiplying 6 into 5 you will get that 5. That it is, we can say that here the 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. So by using that we can fill these blanks, that it is 369 by something should be here, that it is to get the result 369 only. Here it is plus, the result also plus, but so that whatever number we are going to get here, that is also positive. So by which number we can multiply, by multiplying we can get, by dividing we can get the same result, that it is 1 only. So plus 369 divided by plus 1 is equal to plus 369 only. In the same way, here also minus 75 divided by, here some number should be, so that we can get the result minus 1. Which number? Already in the before example I discussed with you. So 75 into 1 is equal to 75. Meaning we are getting 1 as result, so that the divisor also 75 only. And moreover here, for the result we have negative sign. So that in this problem, one number should have positive and the other should have negative. So already in the given problem we have negative. If we put positive to this, then you will get negative result. So it is plus 75. Okay. Now coming to here, 20 divided by some number is minus 2. That is, in already I discussed with you that one more number you should get here. By dividing that number with this 20, you will get minus 2, means that it is 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. That is, here it is negative. So that one must be positive, other must be negative. Already they have given it is positive. So we should get a negative sign to the result. That it is minus 10. So that plus divided by minus, minus 10 ones, 10 twos, it is minus 2. And in the next one also, the result is minus 3. Already I discussed with you, by multiplying these two you will get 4 3s are 12. And the result is negative, means any one should have negative sign. So that already this is positive they have given, put negative to this number. So you can get it is minus 3. Here in this problem, write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 minus 2, because 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So here the result should be minus 3. You have to write such type of pairs 5. Assume that A is equal to 12 and B is minus 4. So that A divided by B is equal to 12 divided by minus 4. 4 ones, 4 threes, plus minus minus 3. Next one is A is 15, B is minus 5. Then A divided by B is equal to 15 divided by minus 5. 5 ones, 5 threes, it is minus 3. And next one is A is minus 21, B is 7. A divided by B is minus 21 divided by 7. It is 7 ones, 7 threes, minus 3. Okay. So they asked you to write 5 pairs. Already I discussed with you 3 pairs. That is A comma B is 12 comma minus 4. Here 15 comma minus 5, and here minus 21 comma 7. The remaining you can continue and complete it.